Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by signing in to the device with the Apple ID that will control purchases. Make sure two-factor authentication is active for extra security. Once done, open Settings and tap Screen Time, because that is where app restrictions live. Turn on content and privacy restrictions and create a screen time passcode. This prevents changes. You do this now so future steps are anchored to a protected account. Otherwise, restrictions can be removed without permission. Next, navigate to iTunes and App Store purchases to control buying behavior. This is where you stop unauthorized installs. Set installing apps, deleting apps, and in-app purchases to don't allow or ask so purchases require approval. Then go to Content Restrictions and choose Apps by Age Rating. This blocks whole sets of apps efficiently. Once these are configured, make sure to review allowed apps and app limits to fine-tune access by category or daily use duration. To finish, test your settings by trying to download or open an app that should be restricted so you can confirm behavior immediately. If restrictions aren't enforcing, first verify the screen time passcode and that you're signed into the correct Apple ID. Mismatches often cause failures. Make sure the device has the latest iOS, then restart it and recheck the restrictions. If all else fails, reset screen time and reapply the same steps to clear any configuration glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.